In this quick video, I'll show you best text to speech AI free. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. With this tool, you can get AI voiceovers in over 80 languages for free with both male and female voices. Also, you will get up to 1080p HD exports, so you don't need to worry about exporting. Also, you will get unlimited exports with this application, and the name of the software is clipchamp. You can get it from Microsoft Store, or we can simply search on Google clipchamp. I will simply search here clipchamp and then go to the first website. Here you can see this is the layout of the website. I will click on try for free, and here we just need to create our clipchamp account. For that, we can use our Microsoft account, or we can use email or Google to get our account done. Once you create your account, then just open your clipchamp software. I will open it up in my PC. After that, we will get this interface. This is how your clipchamp software will look like. After that, we just need to click on create a new video. I will click on it. So basically, clipchamp is a video editing software. You can also edit your videos completely with this software. We want to use it for text to speech conversion. For that, I will click on record and create. I will click on it, and then you can see here is an option called text to speech. We can click on it, and after that, this is the interface of text to speech conversion. I can change the language from here. Over 80 languages are here in this software. I will select English United States. Also, voices are multiple here. You can see multiple voices are here. I will choose Sarah for here. You can listen this voice.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Multiple types of female and male voices are here, and also we can change the emotion of the voice. From here, we just need to click on advanced settings and then change the emotions to neutral, angry. Multiple emotions are here. I will choose excited. After that, we can change the pitch of the voice, pace of the voice from here, and then we just need to add our text. In this text section, we can add our text, whatever we want to add. We can simply add it. I will simply paste my text here. You can see this is my text, and if I want to preview my text, then I can simply click on preview in the bottom. I will click on it, and now you can listen.
If you like this AI voice and this video, then make sure to subscribe LearnLite Express YouTube channel.
Once you are satisfied with your text and voice, after that we just need to click on save to save our text to speech. And after that, we just need to export our voice into MP3 format. For that, I will simply go to export. You can see it in the top side. After that, we will click on export. We can export our footage in 1080p, 720p and 480p. I will export in 480p for the fast exporting, and now you can see my voice has been exported. I can listen to it by clicking on it.
If you like this AI voice and
now you can see my voice has been successfully exported. I can use this voice into another editing software and use it for my projects. But you need to make sure one thing, that you can only use text to speech for maximum duration of 10 minutes. You cannot go over 10 minutes in this free version. If you want to go above 10 minutes, for that you just need to repeat the text to speech process, and you can get the footages up to 10 minutes. So this is how you can get your text to speech with this free software. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.